Hi guys, I got a lot of questions since yesterday about how the new interest rate hike will change the affordability for my clients. So I thought let me share this information with you. So I want to quickly show for almost an average sale price for a home in Windsor for the month of May. As per the month of May statistics, that's $600,000. And if you would have bought something in May at 5%, that's what I was giving my clients. You would have paid $3,315 every month. Now let's see what happens with the recent interest rate hikes. Okay, now we are seeing the payment that you would be paying for 5.25% with the recent interest rate hike for the same amount, that is 3,397 for $600,000. So guys, you can see it is almost an $85 difference every month in your payments, mortgage amount that you would be qualified for. The difference is going to be $10,000 less than what you would have qualified at 5% for every $500,000. So it's not going to be make a big difference in the large scheme of things, considering the market has corrected itself from last May to this May. We've been the same in average sale price, say for a couple $1,000s, couple tens of $1,000s, but it's almost in the same streamline. But what I would like to say is people who are waiting in the sidelines, who have been waiting for getting their first home since the last 2 years, the last 5 years, and are giving are still waiting for the prices to come down based on the interest rate hike. Let me give this information to put things into perspective. Say you would have bought if you would have bought a home in Windsor, say in 2018, you would have bought a same home for 250,000, and that home would have costed you last year when the market was low around 600,000. And now in May, if you would have bought the same home, it would have costed you the same 600,000. So what are you guys waiting for? The best way to earn money in Canada is through investing on your principal residence. Start making money and don't let government or companies rule your financial freedom.